Hello, prep career students. This week we are going to review factors that affect your life. So there's multiple things that can change your life or kind of mold the way that you live. There's things like where you work, your job, your career, the community that you live in, your health and well-being, your finances, the household that you live in and things you need to take care of in the household, your relationships, lifelong learning, recreation and leisure, and spirituality. All of these different things affect your life in one way or another or make up who you are as a person. This week we're going to go into each one of those a little bit further. After every 2 slides, you're going to have notes to fill in, and those you'll have to fill out a quiz to fill in those notes. The next slide, one of the factors that affects you is your work, your job, or your career. Why do people work? Well, let's see here.
We're all busy. All of us have work to do. But hold on a second. Why do people work? Well, the most common answer is that people work for money. They need money to buy food, to buy clothes, to buy gifts for loved ones, and there are others who work for their family. But that essentially means they also need the money. But what if they have a potload of money? What if they are like Steve Jobs? Then maybe they work because they love their work or want to revolutionize the world. And then there are others who work for betterment of science or humanity. And then there are those who work to break records, like athletes and sportsmen. Then we have politicians who work for...
But do politicians actually work?
Well, let's assume they do. So there are those who work to go higher up, and we have those that work for their nation. We also have people who work for God or religion. And of course, there are those who want to be known and work for fame. So we have a lot of reasons why people work. They work for money, for family, for passion, for humanity, for a sense of achievement, for position, for nations, for God, and for fame. But why do people actually work? In the end, we work because we feel good. Yes, all of us work like that, just to feel good about ourselves.
So we learned in the video that people work for money, for passion, for family, for passion, for humanity, for a sense of achievement, for position, for a nation, for a religious or spiritual reason, for fame, and just to feel good about ourselves. We work at jobs within our skill set, so something that we know how to do or we can do well. And we often want to work at a job that's in our area of interest. If we like working with people, we want to find a job that we get to interact with people. If we like animals, we may try to find a job where we can work with animals. So now on the quiz, you will answer questions regarding, you will fill in the notes regarding what we reviewed today. Again, please let me know if you have any questions.